I got the movement back in on this HECO clock. I repaired the bellows. Because this was his boneyard clock pile, I have all kinds of parts here. And I found a topper that is suitable for the clock. Yeah, this bird I don't even think goes with this topper, but I glued it on, and that is what the clock will look like after it's all said and done with. I think it's suitable for the clock. I put together a pendulum. Like I said, the bellows didn't have any bellow tops, but I got a bunch of clock parts, so I got some bellows attached, and let's see if I can get them to activate. And that's what this string is for on these HECO clocks. You can pull the string and activate the cuckoo in case your cuckoo is off when you go to set the time. You can just pull the string and activate the cuckoo. I got the only thing I need to do now is put some numbers on and put some hands, and but I want to test this clock for a day or so to make sure it's going to stay running, and put the back door on. The back door doesn't have the hole, so you have to sit there and adjust and look through these holes without the bellows in to find out where to adjust the hammer, the gong rod. But let me activate it again, let you hear it. It's quiet, but anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.